How to fix websites not opening in Safari on your iPhone. So if you're unable to access certain websites, I'm going to show you 2 ways on how to solve this issue. Now the first thing you need to do is just go and load up the settings on your phone, scroll right down to the bottom of the page and click on Apps. Scroll down this page until you see Screen Time and go and click on this. Scroll down again to Content and Privacy Restrictions and select this, and just make sure Content and Privacy Restrictions is turned off and disabled like you see here. You'll then need to head back over to the main settings page, scroll right down to the bottom and click on Apps. Now scroll down again until you see Safari from the list. Now just click on Safari, scroll down the page to Clear History and Website Data and click on this. Make sure all history is selected and then just press Clear History. Now once you've done this, you can try opening back up a Safari browser and you can check now to see if you can visit your website. If it's still not working, there's one final solution. So just go and open back up the settings on your phone, scroll down to General and click on this. Scroll down to the bottom and select VPN and Device Management. Make sure you're not currently connected to any VPNs, as this can often cause an issue when opening websites. You can also try switching between your Wi-Fi and your cellular data, and once you've done this, you should now be able to open websites in Safari.